Bonafide, dang it, Bonafide Hustler here, and today I have a special guest. Let's get right to the ride along. What's going on, guys? Chris, Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship, and I have a special guest today. That's my wifey right there. Anyways, we're gonna go hit up garage sales. You know the video is gonna be fun. Hit the like button. Let's get to our first garage sale, and we are using Yard Sale Treasure Map, probably the best app ever. So we're gonna get to our first garage sale here in 1 second. It's actually like 5 minutes down the road, and let's see what we find there. It's a beautiful day here in Austin, Texas. It will be raining later on, so you know, it's gonna be probably a good decision to garage sale right now, get his money out of the way. Maybe we'll find some good stuff. What are you looking for today?
WeatherTech mats. I'm just kidding.
Dork. We found her the first set of WeatherTech mats, not set, but the front set of her car. And, ooh, there's a big garage sale right here. Anyways, we found it.
Oh, look at that cool hammock.
Yeah, we'll have to continue that thought in 1 second. Hold on, there's stuff here, and I don't know how to park this car. But anyways, yes, we found her the first set of WeatherTech mats, and we need to find her the rear set, but we found the first set used, and they were in perfect condition, like 30 bucks. And if you don't know what we're talking about, WeatherTech mats are like this right here, and it basically makes like the interior of your car almost like a Jeep, where you can, I don't know, you can get it wet, and it's super durable, and it doesn't make your car all smell all weird, you know, when you have muddy feet and snowy stuff.
We get so much snow down
here. Yeah, we did. We got a lot in Austin, actually. But anyway, so yeah, we're trying to get her the second row, and so we're looking on eBay. We looked at the used market first. Let Go, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. Didn't find anything, so then we have to buy new. This garage sale does look pretty interesting, so let's go check it out. All right, so I found one thing at that garage sale. I spent 10 bucks. Whitney spent 17. Got some cool like dog stuff for our doggies.
And a leash and some poopy bags.
All right, so she's pretty happy about that. Interesting story behind this, and I'll tell you that in the car while we go to the next garage sale, but I bought this for 10 bucks. It's a Lego X-Wing fighter. It's about 99% complete. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, got this thing at the garage sale for 10 bucks. There's definitely an interesting story behind it. What do you guys think I can sell this thing for? Because I'm not 100%, I just knew 10 bucks, I'm gonna buy it regardless. So that's what I bought. So yeah, I was at the garage sale. I immediately saw that X-Wing fighter. So I pick it up immediately, and there was a guy kind of next to it, very close in the vicinity of this X-Wing fighter, and he had his phone, he was looking at something. I took the X-Wing fighter, I immediately brought it to the front of the garage sale where the seller was, and I was like, how much for this X-Wing fighter? And while I was going up to the front, he was turning around, he was like, oh, you know, and he was talking to some other guy that was there. He's like, I was thinking about buying that X-Wing fighter. And I immediately went to the front, asked the price of it. The guy said 10, I immediately threw 10 down. So is this one of those situations where I should have been nicer and maybe let the guy like finish his research, whatever he was doing, or you snooze, you lose? What do you think?
Take it.
What do you guys think out there? Let me know. Like, that's very, this mosquito?
Yeah, get it out.
Got it. So what do you guys think? You snooze, you lose? Did I do the right thing? He was so close to the X-Wing fighter. He was on his phone, but I didn't make the connection that he was looking at eBay or whatever he was doing. What do you guys think? Man, I feel a little bit bad about what I did, but I mean, I didn't really know. I mean, I am accustomed to hustling fast, and when I see something that I want, I get it, and I do not start thinking about it or researching it right there on the spot. If I see something I want, I get it immediately. What do you think? I don't know. But there is an X-Wing fighter in my car right now. So that's the good thing. Yeah, I definitely feel bad about what I did. I don't know why. I feel a little bit bad about it. Because maybe this guy was a beginning hustler. I don't know. You know, and here I come along like over a decade of experience, and I know that when you see something that you like, you immediately start snatching it up. But I feel kind of bad about it. I really do. It's a shame that the weather's gonna turn for the bad later. Got a 50% chance of rain in the next 6 hours. So what I was talking about earlier, it's a perfect day to garage sale, but it's gonna turn to, you know what, later. I'm pumped to go garage selling today, I really am. I got 6.5 hours of sleep. I'm super pumped. All right, our next garage sale should be down this street somewhere. It's a 7 a.m. garage sale. Plenty of interesting keywords, electronic stuff, which was interesting. I like looking at things that are vague, like electronics, because that could be anything. That's a neat truck right there.
That's cool.
Okay, so I don't know if this garage sale I don't think this garage sale is going on, but I didn't see anything when I went down this street. I have to go back just to make sure. 1206 or 1209, what's one of these?
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, I see it. Okay, we found it. Hey, buddy. All right, nothing at that garage sale. Yeah, nothing there. So let's go find one more, and then it should be 8 o'clock, and then a bunch of garage sales. Okay, so we're gonna go to the next garage sale. I decided to stop by Thunderbird Coffee for a doppio. Can you guys see it? It's in there. There you go. You can see it. Smells divine. Would you like to try it?
No.
Try it.
No.
Just take one sip.
No. Doppios taste disgusting.
No, they don't. All right, so. It's good. Try it.
No.
It's so good.
Look at your face. You're like.
It's so good. It's so
How
good.
is that good?
Because it is. That's good.
Blech.
All right, let's go to the next garage sale, which should be 5 minutes away. All right, we got a garage sale right here. In fact, I think I'm just gonna pull right up to it. Yeah, this one looks like it's got tons of crazy stuff. So let's go take a look at this.
What's that, babe?
We got firewood for $2, and for $1, I got this TI 84 Plus Silver Edition calculators.
Nice.
$1. This will resell for about 40, 50 bucks right here.
And what about the wood?
The wood is going to be vaporized during a bonfire. Sweet. All right, there's some sort of a church sale right here. I don't know if it's gonna be that good, honestly. The parking lot looks really junky, and I mean, there's definitely stuff in there, but I'm not super optimistic about it. Let's see. They got electronics. Oh, they got some PS1 games. Little bags to bucks on the ground. No, no, no. I don't see anything here.
Hey, this thing's $5.
$5 for an and symbol? What the hell? Should we buy it? Oh my gosh, this thing's huge. No thanks. Show me all the stuff you got. All right, next garage sale. Let's take a look.
That was a junk sale.
That was. My mom would say, that's not a garage sale. That's a garbage sale.
All the boys and girls. Joy to the fishes.
Okay, so we got a garage sale right here. You can barely see it, but it's around down yonder.
I'm gonna go steal all the good stuff.
Stop it. What a... All right, I'm gonna go look at this garage sale thing here. Maybe I'll find a $1 calculator. That would be sweet. All right, so I found something at that garage sale, 25 cents. Might put it in my booth, might keep it, might put it on eBay. It's a Nickelodeon Velcro wallet. Let's open this thing up real quick, show it to him. That's pretty neat. I know College Picker would really like this thing. It's so cool. Is this geeky?
Super geeky.
I think it's neat, I like it. So I don't know what I'm gonna ask for, but nevertheless pretty cool. All right, the garage sales are getting thin. We might have like maybe 2 or 3 left. There's one down this street somewhere.
Right there.
Good part of town. I see a little, he has a sale, like a sun sale, right? Is that what it's called? There's a sale in this garage sale. There's a sale at this sale. This looks really bad. I'm not pumped up whatsoever. Oh, she saw me filming. That's not good. So from that garage sale, got a punching bag sitting back there. It's $10, probably sell for like 40 locally. Also got an awesome bike rack for $10. Should sell 50 or 60 locally, maybe even 70, it's possible. So not bad finds. One more garage sale, maybe 2. See if we can make some more profit today. All right, we're listening to some Hall & Oates here. We're about to be at this Goodwill. Kind of giving up on the garage sales for the rest of the day, I think. We're gonna go to a coffee store after this too and get some of those weird like butter kind of coffee things with, I don't know, MCT matcha lattes, I don't know, whatever. It's a store and these coffees are like $8. It's crazy, but
They're so good.
I'm gonna try it out. She's on the keto diet, she's doing really well on it. I'm not on the keto diet, I'm just on my own thing. But I do wanna try this, like, it's like fat coffee basically. Now, this Goodwill is on Barnett Road. I've found some really good things from this Goodwill, and we're gonna go pop inside and see if we can find anything today in this place. Let's go check it out. Not too bad of a day, considering it was gonna rain. which usually kills most garage sales, so I'm happy to find something. I got some Super Muscas. It's a Ryobi hedge trimmer with a broken fuel bulb. I don't mess with these things. Okay, so we didn't find anything there, but I did find a mailman right here. I need to freaking follow this guy. I need to drop some stuff off with this dude. All right, so I just dropped off my packages over there. I had 3 going out. One was a cycling bib that was $2, sold for 62 or 63. The other thing in there, what was the other thing in there? It was a bag. It was a $9 camera bag, sold for 45. Not too bad, but I would like it to be more than that. I was actually that camera bag I was actually considering keeping, so I bought it with the intention of, like, if I decided not to keep it, then it would just sell for more, which it did. But I had to bring it home to see if it fit all my gear, which it didn't, so then I still made some money on it, but ordinarily I would not pick up a $9 bag and flip it for 45 bucks. It's just not within my thing. So anyways, now we're gonna go to a Savers, and then we're gonna go to that mega expensive coffee place. Oh, anyway, we'll check it out though. Maybe I'll find something here and check it out. Sweet. Oh my gosh. I don't see anything in this thrift store, man. All right, so I didn't find anything there. The rain is probably gonna be here pretty soon. I consider it a pretty decent thrift day or garage sale day. Tomorrow, if it's raining, definitely gonna be thrifting. It should be a lot of fun. And yeah, let's get out of here. So let's look at what expensive coffee looks like. Yikes. Ugh. See it. Holy crap. All right, so we got our butter coffee thingies or whatever. Let's just call them expensive coffees.
It's not, it doesn't even have coffee, babe.
Oh, great. So I don't even know what this is. It's like a matcha latte.
It's a golden milk matcha latte.
I'm sniffing it right now, and honestly, I can smell the butter. Like, there's a lot of butter in here. So butter.
There's a teaspoon of butter.
Is that a lot?
No.
Okay. What else? There's whey protein.
There's whey protein.
Cardamom.
There's ceremonial grade matcha. There's
what else?
Turmeric.
Okay.
Clove.
Oh crap! This thing has clove in it. I'm just kidding. I have no idea what that is. Okay.
Black pepper that activates the turmeric.
Okay. Some of this stuff sounds so silly. Okay.
I can't remember what else.
Let me try this thing.
It's really hot.
It's good. It's spicy.
And yours
I could
has
get used to
a
it.
little bit of maple syrup too.
Yeah, and a little bit of maple syrup. Okay, so it's good. It's spicy. I can taste the matcha, I guess. I can taste the butter for sure, but it's good. Honestly, it's better than a normal matcha latte. Way better. It's pretty good. I don't think it's super good for me, but you know, it is what it is. Looks pretty interesting. Come check it out. Yeah, man, it looks pretty interesting. Check it out. So that pretty much concludes the ride along. I hope you guys really enjoyed the footage today. We found some cool things. Leave a comment down below. Is $7 too much for a drink? I don't know. But it was fun hanging out with you guys. I want to see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, leave a comment. I'll see you later.